consistent and inconsistent systems means there are system of equations we have seen earlier. Remember, are you listening here? Okay. See, the equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. This like this like we have seen previously, right? This is called a system of equations, and this matrix can be kept in a form ax is equal to d, like that. Whereas A is the coefficient matrix, A1. A is the coefficient matrix that this A1, B1, C1, and this is A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, the coefficient matrix. This X is a variable matrix, X, Y, Z, and D is the other matrix, that one, this D1, D2, D3. This like you can represent the matrix. Okay. Now this system is represented in AX is equal to D. Okay. And we can write the augmented matrix, right? What is augmented matrix? Remember? It is joining of A and D. Okay. Now we'll say whether the system is consistent or inconsistent based on the solution does it have. Okay. It is said to be consistent. Is said to be consistent if either one solution or infinitely many solutions. Ultimately, there will be a solution. Can be one or infinitely many. Remember 10th class you studied. It is consistent. But here 3 equations. Okay. And inconsistent means there will be no solutions at all. Okay. Consistent means what? Inconsistent means what? We have seen. Now, when it will be having solutions, when it will be having no solutions. It depends on the rank now. Okay. So, if the rank of A that is equal to rank of the augmented matrix, that AD, and that is equal to number of unknowns. What is number of unknowns? It means number of variables. Okay. Here 3 variables are there. So, in this case it is 3. Then we say it is having exactly one solution. The system is having unique solution. Okay. Also, if the rank of A, let me put rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix. But the thing is, it is less than the number of unknowns. In this case, it is 3. Okay. Then, it is said to have a infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay. Also, if the rank of A is not at all equal to rank of AD, the augmented matrix, then it is having no solution. Okay. See, I'll say once again, there are 3 equations in which 3 variables are there. We wrote the matrix form of the equation. In that matrix form of the equation, we will write the augmented matrix. Now, by comparing the rank of A, rank of A means what? The coefficient matrix. The rank of the coefficient matrix and the rank of augmented matrix, will decide these things. Okay, so if those two things are equal and it is equal to number of unknowns, number of variables, then we say it is having unique solution. And those two ranks are equal and it is less than the for example, in this case 3 means, suppose this rank and all coming 2 means, we can say it is infinitely many solutions. And if they are not at all equal means, for example, here 3 rank is coming, here 2 rank is coming means it is not equal, then it is no, there will be no solutions. Okay, that is it. Now based on this, we will solve one question. You have any doubts on this? Okay. Examine whether the following system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, find the complete solution. That I'll say. See this one. Example 1. These equations x plus y plus z is equal to 4 and 2x plus 5y minus 2z is equal to 3 and x plus 7y minus 7z is equal to 5. Okay, these are the given equations. Check consistency is the question. If consistent, we should find a solution. Okay, now this will be horizontal manner, the question will be given equal to 5. Say it is x plus 7y minus 7z is equal to 5. They will be giving the horizontal manner, man, with the columns. First thing we should do is we should write them in a vertical manner, one below another. Okay, this like one below another we should write, and we will write them in the form Ax is equal to D. So the coefficient matrix, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, that is 1, 1, 1 and 2, 5 minus, these numbers alone I am writing, and this is 1, 7 minus 7. Okay, let me check the question once again. This is x plus y plus z is equal to 4, 2x plus 5y minus 2z is equal to 3 and x plus 7y minus 7z is equal to 5. Yes, okay. Then the variable matrix, here x, y, z, and this matrix, this is 4, 3, 5. Now we should write the augmented matrix. See, this is of the form Ax is equal to D. Okay, the augmented matrix A bar D. So that is this 1, 1, 1 and 2, 5 minus 2, 1, 7 minus 7. This row is 4, 3, 5. As I told you earlier, some people may put bar, some people may not put bar. I suggest you to put the bar just to understand. Okay. Now we should try to obtain a row echelon form here because we are about to find rank. Don't worry about anything. This bar is just for our reference. Don't get confused with this. We will apply all the operations to all numbers. Now here 2 is there. There should not be 2. We should make it 0. Then what operations we can apply? I am going to write the result in R2. Then R2 minus 2R1. See, it is always suggestible that 1 should be in the first. Okay. So R2 is what? 2, 5, minus 2, 3. And then 2 R1. R1 should be multiplied with 2. Then 2, 2, 2, 2 4s are 8 and subtract. So we'll get 0, 5 minus 2, 3. This is minus 4, minus 5. See, to avoid confusion, I am writing like this separately. Okay. As for the first question, next time and all, we'll do it directly. Which is equivalent to, so this is 1, 1, 1, 4 again. And the new R2 is 0, 3, minus 4. 0, 3, minus 4, minus 5. And last row as it is we can write. But one more operations we can do and we will write the last row as well. Because we should not write more steps, right? So in this itself I am going to write the next operation also. Next operation is what? R3. Here we should make 0. Okay. So R3 can be related with R1. Simply I am going to write the result in R3 with R3 minus R1. So R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1, 0. Better write, man. 1, 7, minus 7, 5. To avoid mistakes. Subtract. So this is 0, 6, minus 8, 1. So 0, 6, minus 8, 1. That reference bar at last we'll put, no problem. Okay. Now I made this place 0, this place 0. Then again this place should be made as 0. How that can be made 0? So R3, in R3, this can be multiplied with the 2 and subtracted with the 6. Is it? So we'll get R3 minus 2 R2. So R3 is 0, 6, minus 8, 1. 2 times R2. 2 times R2 is 0, 6, minus 8, minus 10. Now subtract minus, minus, plus, this is plus. So 0, 0, this also will become 0 and this is 11. So we'll get 1, 1, 1, 4. Wait, let me complete. 0, 3, minus 4, minus 5. 0, 0, 0, 11. Okay. That separation bar is just put here. Now compare. See, before this bar, this is A. All together, which is AD. Okay. Now rank of A is how much? Rank of A means, listen here, without this, which is 2. And the rank of the augmented matrix, that means fully. Without this bar, you should look. 3. Are they equal? So there will be no solutions. No solution, man. First of all, both of them should be equal. Then only by comparing it with the unknown, we will define that whether it is finite or infinite. Sorry, unique or infinitely many solutions. Okay. We will solve one more question. Shall I erase? Yes, sir. Yes. It is multiplication of matrices only. You multiply 1 into x, same equation will come. This equation multiplication format only written in the matrix format. As while explaining an augmented form itself, I said, right, see, this is first row, first column, we should multiply and add, that is x plus y plus z, that is equal to 4. Same equation will come. That is also one possible. How you can solve 3 equations? See, that's a good question. Wait. You thought of solving this without this matrix. Is it? Okay. In objective exam perspective, I'm saying, to say whether it is consistent or not, we should solve like this. Suppose some options are given. It's very easy. Substitute the answers in here. Both the sides should match for all the three equations. That is the solution. That's all. Shortcut. Infinitely many means we are about to solve. Just hold on. Okay. Alright. There will be family of solutions will be there, like family of curves. They say something. Okay, we'll solve one more questions on this. Okay, all the three cases we'll solve one example. Don't worry. Now this is no solution. Next we'll solve one question. So that is everything. Now we'll be solving the equations 2x minus y plus 3z equals 8 minus x plus 2y plus z equals 4, 3x plus y minus 4z is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is equation given in the horizontal form. I wrote that in the vertical form, one below another. Now the matrix form you write. Matrix form is what? 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 and 3 1 minus 4 into xy z into 840 and all. You should write that and all. You write now. You won't get confused. Okay. To save time, I'm just going with the augmented matrix. No. Wait. That form also important. Better we'll write. xy z equals, this is 840. Now that is of the form ax is equal to d in that format. Okay. Now we should solve this using the augmented matrix. The augmented matrix AD is, this is 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4 and those numbers are 840. Now we should find the rank of this using the echelon form. So echelon form means here 1 is there, means it will be easy, but don't go for dividing with any number. It makes the process difficult. Genuinely it is possible to make 1 here, means it is easy. How? I am going to take R2, not R1. I am going to write the result in the R1. I am going to write R3 minus R1. Possible? 3 minus 2. Okay. Then the matrix will be the equivalent matrix R3 minus R1. That is 1. 3 minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1. 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Yes. Anything. This is direct subtraction, right? 3 minus 2 1 minus 1 minus plus 2 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 0 minus 8 to minus 8. Then second row as it is, minus 1 2 1 4 and 3 1 minus 4 0. Now this place we should make it 0 simply by what? R2 we are going to write the result R2 plus R1. So R2 plus R1. R2 is what? R2 minus 1 2 1 4. R1 1 2 minus 7 minus 8. Add them. That is 0 4 minus 6 minus 4. Now this R1 is 1 2 minus 7 minus 8. R2, new R2 is 0 4 minus 6 minus 4. R3 also will do the same. R3 will write the result by doing R3 minus 3R1. R3 is 3, 1 minus 4, 0. 3 times R1, that is 3, 6, 3 7s are 21, minus 21, and 3 8s are 24, minus 24. Okay, now we should subtract minus minus plus plus. So this will become 0, this is minus 5, this is 17, and this is 24. Okay, that is new R3. 0, minus 5, 17, 24. Okay, any doubts on this? Now this place will make it 0. How we can make this place 0? Here 5 is there, there 4 is there. Simply R3, take R3 row. This with the R3 can be multiplied with the 4. And this can be multiplied with the 5. That means 5 man. Okay, R2. They can be added because they are already opposite inside. We'll get 0. Okay. Now 4R3. 4R3 means 0 minus 20. 4 times 17. 28 to 40. 68. 4 times 24. 80, 96, and 5 times R2, 5 times R2, 0, this is plus 20, 5 6 are 30, minus 30, this is 5 4s are 20, minus 20, add them. So this is 0, 0, 38, and this is 76. Okay, so this new row is what? 1, 2, minus 7, minus 8, 0, 4, minus 6, minus 4, 0, minus 5, 17, 24. Sorry, that is old row, right? New row is 0, 0, 38, 76. Now we got the row echelon form, I mean the echelon form. Okay, so in the echelon form, now we'll put the bar. Rank of A is what? 3, that means this alone. Now rank of the augmented matrix, that is also 3. Number of unknowns, all of them are equal. So it is having unique solution. Everything will be 3. Sometimes rank will become 2, right? Okay. So up to this you got right. Now again we should restructure this matrix into here. I told you no. This step is important. So in the initial matrix I am going to replace all these things, man. Okay, it is not required to replace, just for the first question I am doing. External directly here itself we can solve. Okay, the new matrix A is what? This is 1, 2, minus 7, and this is 0, 4, minus 6, and this is 0, 0, 38. New matrix of D is what? 8, 9, 8 minus 4, 76. Now again go back to the equation form, the equation format. What is that equation format? See, first equation, x plus 2y minus 7 is it equals 8. Second equation, 0x plus 4y minus 6 is it is equal to minus 4. You get what I am saying? Third equation, 0x plus 0y plus 38 is it is equal to 76. Okay, 0x 05, this and all has no significance. This will be like this. Now from the third equation what we can write? Z is equal to 76 by 38, which is 2. Now substitute Z is equal to 2 in the second equation. Second equation, 4y minus 12 is equals minus 4. 4y is equal to 8. Is it? then y is equal to 2. Okay, and x and y should be substituted in the first equation. First equation means x plus 2 times y. Y is 2. Yes, not 18. Wait. See, this is x plus 4 minus 14 is equal to 8, and x is equal to, this is what man, 10, right? X minus 10 is equal to 8. Yes, minus 10. And x is equal to 18, is it? X must be equal to 2, man. Wait. I might have missed somewhere. First equation remains same. Yes, sir? Where? Here. I wrote the original question, is it? No, it's not right. I subtracted again. Then I might have committed some mistakes, man. First row, what I did for this, these two I subtracted, right? 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus half minus 1 plus 2. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus 7 is it only? 7 2s are 14. 4. Yes. Oh, in that question itself. No, it is not. Here. Okay. Then this is minus 8. Then it must be right. Then okay, this is x is equal to 2. Alright. So therefore the solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, z is equal to unique solution. Okay. Shall I erase? Okay, next one. See the equation, x plus y plus z is equals 3, and 2x plus 2y minus z is equal to 3. X plus y minus z is equal to 1. We should solve this equation. See, without wasting time, I am putting directly into the augmented form. This is 1 1 1 3 and 2 2 minus 1 3 1 1 minus 1 1. You understand why I have written like this? This is the augmented matrix. Okay, let me check the question is correct. 1 1 2 2 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 and 3 3 1. Yeah, okay. All right. Now try to get the row, echelon form. Echelon form means this place should be 0. Already here 1 is there, it is easy. So I am going to make R2 in the result. R2 can be written like what? R2 minus 2 R1. Okay, then first row can be written as it is 1 1 1 3. Second row R2 minus 2 R1. 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 0. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 3 minus 6 which is 3 minus 6 which is minus 3. Alright, and R3 should be made as 0. It's easy. R3 minus R1 directly. So 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 which is minus 2, and this is 1 minus 3, that is also minus 2. Okay, then We got the row echelon form, right? This also will become 0. No, this one. This is -1, -1, man, -2. Yes. Again. Okay. This is not the echelon form, right? The number of zeros must be less than the next row. So this also should be -0. While comparing these two, what we can do? R3, let us write the result. In R3, what we can write? This can be multiplied with 3, that can be multiplied with 2. So 3 times R3 minus 2 times R2. 3 times R3, 0, 0, minus 6, minus 6. 2 times R2, 2 times R2, 2 times R2, that is 0, 0, minus 6, minus 6. Then we should subtract minus, minus, plus, plus. So everything will become 0 in the third row. So this is 1, 1, 1, 3 and 0, 0, minus 3, minus 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now what is rank of A? Which is 2. Rank of AD, that is also 2. They are equal, no problem. But number of unknowns, 3. So it is having what? This rank of A equal to rank of AD, which is less than number of unknowns. So it is having infinitely many solutions. Again, this can be written in the equation form. So third row fully 0. In the second row, minus 3 is at first row onwards we can write. This is x plus y plus z is equal to 3. And we'll get minus 3z is equal to minus 3. Then z is equal to 1 is the solution. That can be substituted in the first equation. With the first equation, we'll get x plus y equal to 2. Okay. Now this is one solution. This is having infinitely many solutions. What we are going to do is, listen carefully. We are going to make, yes sir. Man, these two equations, man. Again, equation form you should make, right? Okay. See, this is x plus y plus z is equal to 3. Then 0x plus 0y minus 3z is equal to minus 3. Previous question I wrote 0x, 0y erase, right? Now, we should substitute any variable, either x is equal to k or y is equal to k, anything. Then from the second equation we can get y is equal to 2 minus k. Okay. So the solutions are, x is equal to k, y is equal to 2 minus k, z is equal to 1. Okay. How this become infinitely many solutions? For different values of k, for different values of x, y, z we will get. Okay. Because we have infinite number of choices for k. That's what they have said in the book, that in case of infinite number of solution, we express the values of the variable in n minus lambda parameters. N minus lambda parameters means that lambda means it is a root. So, I'll explain that point. Wait, see, in the case of infinite many solutions, this is what lambda meant. This is n. So, n minus lambda parameters means here 3 minus 2, 1 parameter family. 1 parameter family of curves we will call it. What is 1 parametric family? This k is red, that k is the parameter. Okay. Suppose it is a 4 by 4 matrix, then there will be 2 parameters, 2 substitutions we may have to make. x is equal to k, y is equal, so x is equal to k1, y is equal to k2, like 2 parameter family. Okay, that is it. So infinitely many solutions, no solution, unique solution, all the 3 cases we have seen. Okay, and that is enough for the day, I guess. That's it for this exercise 3.7. You just go through all the questions, and then next to 2 more exercise. With that, we'll finish this lesson. Like homogeneous function and the methods to solve. Homogeneous means nothing, that simply I'll say. See, here we'll write this equations is equal to some numbers they'll give, right? Yes. Am I audible? See, in the first, now we have seen in this question, everything was given numbers in the right hand side, right? After the equal to sign, constant term will be present. But homogeneous means all the constant term will be 0. All the equations are equal to 0, that's all. But some methods are there. Those things we'll see at once. Okay. Okay. That's enough for the day. Like tomorrow and day after tomorrow,